Welcome back, art students. All right, so I'm all done with outlining these fun characterized birds. Now is the fun part. We get to start adding color. First, you are going to want to color with your coloring crayons. And then after you're done with your coloring crayons, we're going to move over to our watercolor paints. Now, when you're coloring with your coloring crayons, the first thing I want you to do is to apply a lot of pressure on your crayon. Hold your crayon close to the tip. And I want you to outline another time going around your bird. So press really hard. And I want you to go around your bird first. After you do that, then what I want you to do is very lightly, with light pressure, I want you to shade in your bird. Okay? Leave the eyes white. Leave your beak white. Because we're going to make all of our beaks orange or yellow. I'll let you pick. After you're done coloring in your red bird, you can go ahead now and do your orange one. Do it in the same order as the rainbow. So now we're going to do the orange one. So again, I'm going to outline my bird first. I'm pressing with a lot of pressure as I go around. After I do that, I can lightly shade in. Remember, shade around the eyes. Be very careful. Careful coloring. Do you know what color comes after orange? Anyone? I bet you do. It's yellow. Now we're gonna do the yellow one. Again, press hard as you go around the main circle shape that we started with. And then on the inside, we lightly shade it in. Lightly shade it in. Be careful, go around the eyes. This one has a winking eye, so I can go right around that carefully too. And then we'll do the wings. The wiggly feet. And the little beard that it had. Okay. After that comes, ooh, my favorite color, Mr. Glowacky's favorite color, green. So here's our green bird. Okay, and I'm just gonna have fun here, continuing to color in very carefully my birds until I get to the very last one. And then I'll show you what it looks like when they're all done, okay? Take your time with this, okay? Go slow. Nice quality coloring, okay? I'll see you in the next video.